Indulge in the delightful flavors of these homemade mushroom dim sums. So let's begin with the recipe. When you're making the dim sum dough, you have to be precise with the measurements of all the ingredients. So 250 ml, and then I'm just going to add in 1 tablespoon extra. Bring the water to a boil. There are 3 kinds of starches used for this dough. The first one, half a cup of wheat starch, half a cup of potato starch, and the third one I'm going to use while kneading the dough, which is cornstarch. Add in a big pinch of salt. Give these flours a mix. The water has come to a boil. Turn off the flame. I'm just going to put it in this measuring cup so it's easy for me to pour. Slowly add in this hot water into the flour. Make sure you whisk it very quickly. Let's add in the remaining water. Just combine everything, cover it with cling film and leave it aside for 5 minutes. Let's quickly make the filling. Just a little bit of oil, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped. Saute the garlic for a few seconds. 10 to 12 button mushrooms that I have finely chopped. Give the mushroom a quick saute, not for very long. Tablespoon of finely chopped peanuts here. Teaspoon of red chili flakes. A teaspoon and a half of light soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon red chili sauce. Give this a quick mix. We need to dry out all the moisture from this. 2 tablespoons of wheat starch. Give it a mix and turn off the flame. I will cool this down completely and then add in the 2 tablespoons of potato starch. Quickly cool this mixture down. Let's work on the dough again. On your counter surface, dust it with a little bit of cornstarch. Remove this dough on the counter. Apply very little oil onto your hand. Start kneading the dough till it's nice and smooth. Keep rolling it in cornstarch so that it stops sticking to your hands. Once you feel the dough is nice and smooth, take a small portion and roll it in a log. Cut them into 1-inch pieces. Take a piece, just dust your board with some cornstarch. Start rolling them. Just take a bowl and cut it so that you get equal size wrappers. Place these wrappers aside and make sure you cover them with a wet cloth. The dim sum wrappers are ready. The filling is nicely cooled down, and now into this I'm going to add in some salt and also some crushed pepper. Give this a good mix. Take a wrapper, put very little filling in it, and I'm going to start pleating this. So pinch the end first and then make a pleat and press and continue this way. And this is a nice perfect shape of a dim sum that you can make. Keep it under a wet cloth till you finish shaping the others. In this way, shape all the dim sums. Ideally, what you're supposed to do is have the same size of the pot as big as your steamer, boil some water in it and then place this. I've boiled some water in the steamer and I've placed a stand. The bamboo steamer, I've lined it with some banana leaf and I've also greased it with oil. Now carefully place your dim sums. Well, only 4 are going to fit as of now. Cover it. Place it over the boiling water. Steam the dim sums for 5 minutes. While that's happening, let's quickly make the dipping sauce. Take around 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of garlic finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, just to slightly dilute. Mix all these ingredients together and we have a delicious dipping sauce ready. Let's check on the dim sums. Beautifully steamed and you can see the transparency, the mushrooms inside. These are ready. Turn off the flame and remove the bamboo steamer. I hope this recipe was simple enough for you to follow. If you have any questions, queries, do comment below. Subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.